Hi, today I would like to show you in this series of videos how you can customize these planner sticker sheets. In this particular video, I would like to show you how to change the fonts of the text boxes and also change the colors of some of the picture stickers. So first you need to duplicate the page of stickers that you want to work on, and then you can click on the text box of the text that you want to change, and then you will see you can highlight the text, and then a menu will come up. If you don't see it, you just right click, and then you can change the font there and the size. And after changing the font, you can just adjust the placement of the text. You can also change the color of this sticker by first clicking on the sticker and then going to format, and from format you can find the color button or icon, and then click there and choose the color that you want. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.